Hey guys, I want to come on and show you the Meta Wayfarer glasses. So I know a lot of people have already talked about these, but these are absolutely amazing as a therapist. I use these to help with demonstrating to my clients how to make home exercise programs. I'm able to show them what I see and I'm able to send them the home exercise program later on. So it's great, it works that way. And it's also great in the fact that I can take pictures and videos. So it's very advantageous. These look like standard glasses, but when you bring them up close, you can see that there is a lens on both sides here. And when you actually use this to record and take pictures, it does have a light that shines. So that I just took a picture right there. And now if I was to take a video, this would flash consistently to show that they're being used. To charge these, they actually come in a case that you just put them in, like a regular sunglasses case or a regular glasses case, and they fold up and they go in just like this. There's other functionality with these. You can use Meta AI with these, where you can actually talk to an AI and ask, hey, what am I looking at? And the AI will tell you what it is, where you can find it, and you can ask it questions and it will give you the answer just through your earpieces. You can listen to music, you can watch videos and listen to the video audio through the glasses as well. And you control it by moving your hands forward, backwards, and there's different finger combinations to use on the glasses, whether it be a long press with 2 fingers or 3, to have different functions. So once again, I like these a lot. I know a lot of people have come on and talked about these already, but it's great for me and it's really working well for my clients. So check these out.